Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all of the brushes that I got in my MorpheMe for the month of May. So just jumping right in, the theme this month is Happily Ever After. So this is what the little card looks like this month. So it says, once upon a time, 3 rose gold brushes arrived on a glamour's doorstep. She used them to snatch her face, immediately found her Prince Charming, and they lived happily ever after. It says, go from bachelorette to bride in just a few sweeps with these new deluxe brushes. Before you pop the champagne and change your last name, make sure to head to your dashboard on liveglam.com to rate these brushes and earn some reward points. So I actually didn't know that you could rate brushes and get points, so I'm definitely gonna go and check that out. So the theme this month is geared towards like brides and weddings, I guess because there's a lot of like weddings in the summertime. So as I said, we did get 3 brushes this month. They're all from the rose gold collection, which are like my favorite brushes because I think they're so pretty. So this is going to be like a pretty quick video because there are only 3 brushes, but I'm going to show you guys as I'm talking about the brushes how I use them because I did use them to create this look that I'm wearing right now. So the first brush that I'm going to talk about is the Morphe R1. This is their deluxe pointed powder brush. So it's just like a natural hair pointed brush. So I use this brush to set underneath my eyes with, and I also use it to kind of like bronze and contour my face. And then I also used it for blush, and I did really like it. I wasn't expecting to. It was just a tiny bit pokey when I was putting it underneath my eyes, but that's because of how these kind of bristles are. I did really like it for like contouring. It was really easy just to carve out my cheekbones with it because it's so pointed, and I actually even used it to contour my nose with as well. And because it was so pointed, it didn't kind of like get everywhere. It was a lot more precise than I was thinking it was going to be. And then I did really like it for blush as well. So the next brush that we got is the Morphe R12 brush, and this is their deluxe highlight fan brush. I actually don't own that many fan brushes, so I was really excited to get this one, especially because it is a natural hair fan brush. So I did use this to highlight my face with today, and I honestly had 0 issues with it at all. It laid down the highlight really pretty, and I feel like it looks like a lot more natural. Normally I use like a really small brush like this to highlight with for like precise highlighting, but I'm surprised how much I really like this one for highlighting. I just feel like it makes my highlight look so much more natural. So I'm definitely excited about this brush. And then the last brush that we got this month is the R35 brush, and this is a deluxe blending brush. I used this today to put color into my crease. It is like tapered. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell, but it is like a little bit thinner. It kind of reminds me of my Sigma E25 brush. So it was really easy just to put color on my outer corner, and it was also really easy to blend directly into my crease without it going too high. It's fluffy enough where you can like blend out shadows, but you can also be precise with it as well. I also feel like this would be a good brush if I wanted to like contour my nose with it. I didn't try that out, but I really did like this for eyeshadow. So this video is like super short, but those are all the brushes that I got in my MorpheMe for the month of May. I feel like overall this was a really good month. I think that I liked these brushes more than I liked the brushes that we got last month. You guys know that I was kind of like bothered that we got 1 rose gold brush last month and then the rest were from the Elite collection. My only issue this month is that we only got 3 brushes, and yes, they are really pretty and I really do like them a lot, but sometimes it's nice to get more brushes. So yeah, overall I really liked all of the brushes. I didn't have any issues with any of them. Some months I get brushes that I'm not like the biggest fan of, but I really did like all of the ones that we got this month. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will have all the brushes that I got this month linked in my description box below if you guys want to check them out. And I'll also have links to my Instagram and Twitter accounts there if you guys want to follow me on those as well. And before you leave, don't forget to click the bell next to the subscribe button so you guys can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.